Hello, if you are wondering if there is edge lighting available on OPPO A60, then the answer is unfortunately no. There is no feature called edge lighting. There is nothing that resembles edge lighting, so it's not accessible on this device. However, there are some third-party apps that we can download from Google Play Store that work in a pretty similar way. So we can open Play Store and then search for some apps that work like the edge lighting. So we can tap edge lighting, and over here we will immediately find some apps. For instance, we can use, let's say, this one, as it has pretty good rating and lots of downloads, and then we can install it and configure it on our device. And once we have it installed, then we should be able to press open. There we go. And here we can also configure our edge lighting. Of course, we will need to probably grant some accesses to various things. We'll need to grant some permissions, but once you do, so I'm gonna tap edge lighting over here in order to enable it. And we can apply to home and lock screen, of course. We will see some ads, so be aware of them. Over here we have configuration. We can set up, let's say, just one color. Then we can select, let's say, this yellow one, and it looks like this. If you use this app, then you might also need to set up the wallpaper. So if you go back to the same app, over here you have backgrounds, and you can set up one of these preset wallpapers. And like I said, we will see some ads. If you don't want to, you don't have to use these images, these wallpapers. You can select your own wallpaper from your gallery. It is also possible, so I'm gonna choose photos. Just an example, I'm gonna choose a random photo. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. Of course, we can resize it if needed, like so. And then I'm gonna press done, and it should be done. We also have the direction of the animation, so we can readjust it. Of course, from time to time we'll see the congratulations message, which is used in order to trigger the ad. If you scroll down, you will also find the animation speed settings. You will find the border size, so you can make it wider or thinner. You can also readjust the edges. So over here we have the radius for the bottom, radius for the top. Everything can be adjusted. And we have the notch type, so we can add the display hole, we can add display infinity, and so on and so forth. So make sure to go through these options to configure the edge lights as you wish. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.